Imagine a city where art comes to life, where ancient architecture dances with cutting-edge technology, and where darkness is transformed into a canvas of light. Welcome to Ghent Light Festival, a triennial event that turns this charming Belgian city into a mesmerizing wonderland of illumination. Every 3 years, the medieval streets of Ghent become the stage for one of Europe's most spectacular light shows. But this isn't just any light festival, it's a celebration of creativity, innovation, and the human spirit that draws over 1 million visitors from around the world. Ghent, located in the Flemish region of Belgium, is already a city steeped in history. Its cobblestone streets, picturesque canals, and stunning Gothic architecture transport visitors back in time. But during the Light Festival, this historical backdrop becomes the perfect contrast for futuristic light installations that push the boundaries of art and technology. The festival's origins date back to 2011, when the city decided to reimagine its traditional light decorations. What started as a modest event has now grown into a 4-day extravaganza that spans the entire city center. It's a testament to Ghent's commitment to innovation and its ability to blend the old with the new. As night falls, the city comes alive with a dazzling array of light installations. Imagine walking through a tunnel of shimmering lights that respond to your movements, or watching as the facade of a 12th century castle becomes a canvas for a mind-bending 3D projection. These aren't just static displays, they're interactive experiences that invite you to become part of the art. One of the most breathtaking sights is the illumination of St. Bavo's Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece, with its soaring spires and intricate stonework, becomes a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns. It's a sight that stops visitors in their tracks, cameras at the ready, as they marvel at the way light can transform even the most familiar landmarks. But the Light Festival isn't just about grand spectacles. As you wander through the city, you'll encounter smaller, more intimate installations tucked away in courtyards and alleyways. These hidden gems often carry powerful messages about social issues or environmental concerns, proving that light art can be both beautiful and thought-provoking. The festival route typically covers about 7 kilometers, winding through the heart of Ghent. It's a journey that takes you from the bustling Korenmarkt, across picturesque bridges spanning the Lye River, and into quiet neighborhoods where locals open their doors to welcome visitors. One of the unique aspects of Ghent's Light Festival is its focus on sustainability. The organizers are committed to minimizing the event's environmental impact. They use energy-efficient LED technology and even harness alternative power sources like bicycles that visitors can pedal to generate electricity for certain installations. The festival also serves as a platform for both established and emerging artists. It's a place where internationally renowned light artists showcase their latest creations alongside innovative works by local talents. This mix of global and local perspectives gives the festival a unique flavor that sets it apart from other light events around the world. As you explore, you'll notice that the festival transforms more than just buildings. The city's famous canals become rivers of light, with installations that play on the reflective quality of water. Bridges glow with otherworldly hues, creating the illusion of portals to another dimension. Even the trees in Ghent's parks are draped in twinkling lights, turning ordinary green spaces into enchanted forests. The atmosphere during the festival is electric. Despite the winter chill, the streets are filled with people of all ages, their faces lit up with wonder. The air is filled with the sounds of gasps and laughter, the click of camera shutters, and the excited chatter of visitors sharing their favorite installations. Food and drink play a big part in the festival experience. Local cafes and restaurants stay open late, offering warming Belgian specialties like hearty stews and, of course, the country's famous frites. Street vendors sell hot chocolate and glühwein, perfect for sipping as you stroll from one installation to the next. One of the most popular installations in recent years was a giant interactive puppet that loomed over the city square. Controlled by a team of puppeteers, its movements were synchronized with a light show that told the story of Ghent's history. It's this blend of traditional storytelling and cutting-edge technology that makes the festival so unique. The Light Festival isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a full sensory experience. Some installations incorporate sound, creating immersive environments that transport you to other worlds. Others invite touch, with light sculptures that respond to human interaction, blurring the line between observer and participant. For photography enthusiasts, the festival is a dream come true. The play of light and shadow, the reflections in the canals, and the juxtaposition of modern light art against medieval architecture create endless opportunities for stunning shots. It's not uncommon to see professional photographers rubbing shoulders with amateur Instagrammers, all trying to capture the perfect moment. The festival has a significant economic impact on Ghent. Hotels are booked months in advance, and the influx of visitors provides a boost to local businesses during what would typically be a quiet winter period. But more than that, it puts Ghent on the global map as a city of innovation and creativity. As the festival has grown, so too has its ambition. Recent editions have incorporated augmented reality elements, allowing visitors to download an app that adds digital layers to the physical installations. It's a glimpse into the future of urban art experiences, where the lines between the real and virtual worlds become increasingly blurred. The Light Festival also serves as an inspiration for urban planners and designers. It demonstrates how creative use of light can transform public spaces, improve safety, and create a sense of community. Many visitors leave with ideas about how to bring a touch of Ghent's magic back to their own cities. As dawn breaks on the final day of the festival, there's a bittersweet feeling in the air. The installations are slowly switched off, and the city returns to its normal state. But the memories of those magical nights linger, inspiring conversations and sparking creativity long after the last light has faded. Ghent Light Festival is more than just an event. It's a celebration of human ingenuity, a showcase for artistic expression, and a reminder of the power of light to bring people together. It turns a city into a living, breathing work of art, inviting us all to see the world around us in a new light. So, the next time you're planning a winter getaway, consider timing your trip to coincide with this extraordinary event. Come to Ghent and be part of a festival that doesn't just illuminate a city, it ignites the imagination and brightens the human spirit. After all, in a world that can sometimes seem dark, Ghent Light Festival reminds us that there's always light to be found if we know where to look.